friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen pierogies in the air fryer. So we just need a package of frozen pierogies, no need to defrost, we're cooking them straight from frozen. And we need vegetable oil to brush the pierogies so they're extra brown and crispy. If you'd like, you can leave the oil out, but they just won't be as browned. So I'm going to pour some oil in a little dish, and I'll use a pastry brush for brushing it over the pierogies. And now let's open a package of frozen pierogies. So we're going to put them in the air fryer in a single layer. So we can use as many as fit in a single layer. Do not put them on top of each other. So if they're stuck together, just separate them. So there's as many as fit in a single layer. And now I'm going to brush them with vegetable oil using a pastry brush. If you have an oil spray bottle, you can use that as well to spray them. And once you brush the top, just flip them over. And now let's brush the other side with oil as well. So now let's put the basket in the air fryer, and I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and it will set the time to 8 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and flip the pierogies so they cook evenly. And now let's put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these perfectly cooked pierogies. They look amazing. So nice, crispy and golden brown on the outside and perfectly cooked inside. Now let me transfer them to a plate. Delicious. Look how good they look. Now they're perfectly cooked inside. I'll just cut one, so you could see. See, they're perfectly cooked. All the filling is soft, well cooked. So good. I'm so excited about trying it. So delicious. These air fryer pierogies taste amazing. You're going to love making them in the air fryer. So easy and tastes so good. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!